What are you doing?
I'm breaking rocks.
You are doing what? It was actually supposed to be a gazebo, you know? What's up guys? Seni, karibu. It's been long sijashika camera. So I feel very weird by the way. I feel the weirdest of all. Anyway, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Shiro Wadome. And today is the day that the Lord has made so that we rejoice and be glad in it. So, wacha kwanza nitengeneze hii mtambo nisikie kama sauti itakuwa poa. Sindio? Hey, can you hear me well now? Can you hear me well? Unanisikia poa? Yeah, so tuko Kenya. Unaenda kuchukua? I was to go with you by the way. So today is the day. Ile siku yenye inakuanga ni pizza mbili. And it happens like there is a birthday for one of our nieces today. So I'm just going to get some pizzas right now. Twende na nyinyi tujue tutaendana. And yes, it's a good idea to pass by this Pizza Inn or any other pizza shop when they have this pizza mbili. Just go early morning, you know, like they give it time before it becomes very busy, because during the afternoon and evening becomes very busy and you have to wait for so long. 1, 2, it's not the best of the quality. That is what I've noticed, not only in Kenya but also in Dubai. When they're busy, hey, they hurry up the pizza. Yes, and if there is anything that I really enjoy that was from the previous government so far are these roads. Now, this was one of the places that had got a road that was so bad, full of potholes. It was a one-way, like, oh my God, it was bad news. But now, look at this, we're crossing to cruise.
About to leave, already packing. Come with me, I'm not really asking.
But you have to be careful because that stone can hit somebody.
To a place where we don't know. About to see the world in action, what we can be, life with no distractions. We'll get away. This is what we waited for. Take my hand, we'll make it somehow. We can't miss out. I'm done living life with the lights.
So what are you doing?
Rocks.
You are cooking them.
Yeah, but now I'm breaking them.
Okay, let me see you breaking. Saa zile saa zile mnajificha naye anaongea. Hajakuona. Hi, what's up? How are you doing? Good morning. Don't you mind when you see me like this? Just know I'm in Geshagi. Okay? I'm in Geshagi. I'm at my mom's place. So this is just a typical day being at mom's place. So we just woke up, had some breakfast, and now we are out here doing something. Yeah. So we're just going to spend some day today with kina mom. Endo kazi leo iko.
Let's go to sleep.
During this time is harvest time in most places in Kenya for those who planted long time. And we thank God, after a very long time, we've not had a good harvest, but this one was amazing and we thank God for it. So this is a process of securing the maize. After this, we have to dry it, make it completely dry to avoid aflatoxin, and also in readiness for the next process, which could be either you could take it to grind it and make flour in it. That this is corn, so it makes maize flour, and you can use it for our famous ugali, or you can make it for other things including githeri, or you can use it for sale. Like you can sell if you have quite a lot to those people who did not plant that yet planted other things. So yes. I need to pick these two, hold them, because they need to be dried now, and then after this we'll probably make some ugali unga or kideri for those who love kideri. Yeah, so hivi alafu
Kuna popcorn.
okay, hizi zote zitakuwa hivi.
Salam alaikum. Ya dalina.
There's one of these.
Ya dalina. Ya dalina. Ya mutanina. Sutukung molule, sutukung molule, sutukung molule, sutukung molule, ekumbusora, idwa jabida, sutukung baba. So on this day, I was helping mom, just bonding with her, talking, catching up on how things have been, as I was helping her do the hanging of this maize, and voila, this happened. So what happened here, the line that mom was using to hang on was already heavy, but did not notice because we were just talking and having a good bond. And so it just became weak, and that is how all the maize fell off, and we had to do them again on another one. Yeah, so guys, this is what we do right after we have tied them. You remember when, you know what I was doing? So okay, it's too high. So this is what we were doing. This is how even the sisi wanika mind is it. So you remember this part? Yeah, we were tying them together like this. Yeah, so then we come and hang them here. We still have a lot we are working on. Yeah, so just to reduce. So this one is not full. You're coming to fill up
this one today to make it full. Yep, so guys, kazi bado inaendelea kabisa. Now, apart from this which we're hanging, you know, we only hang those which are big, like hizi kubwa kubwa, we hang them there. But some of them are really small because not all maize grows the same way. So this is how we just place these ones. You see? Yeah, even though tunazikausha. Then, but it's challenging, guys. It's quite challenging because sometimes the sun is there, sometimes it's not there, so we have to put them in. But those ones are lucky, actually. Those ones there are very lucky because they don't have to get out of there. Yeah, this was actually supposed to be a gazebo, you know. This was supposed to be a gazebo, but man, kutengenezea shosh gazebo, my friend, tutashangaa inakuwa store. Let me show you by the whole of it how it looks.
Is your healing? Is your healing? Your healing? Is your healing?
It's been used for other uses, but very soon we're gonna come and work on it. Actually, we will work on it, and it's going to look beautiful. Yeah, one day, one time, we'll come do a good renovation of this place, and it's gonna look pumped. Panga panga is.
Alang ngata sutukung molule salam alaikum.
Here we go. The boy is learning how to plant. Let's hear what he has to say. The boy enjoyed being in a place that he's not used to. He's just used to seeing sand and sand and sand in Dubai, but here is real soil where he can play and do things with it. So he was excited to learn something here. So what are you doing, Neo? What are you planting? Plants? What are they called?
Spinach.
Yeah.
Take
Good.
one.
I'm close. Mom, the close. I'm too close.
Sutukung molule salam alaikum. Ya mutanina. Ya mutanina.
Yep, during the market day, it's quite busy. There's quite a lot of things. There's so many things happen. So many people come on. Yes, and this is our market day. And oh my God, as we were just there, we just started hearing the siren of a car that was coming. At first, I thought it was an ambulance, but I was like, no, ambulance in the market area? How would it even manage to go through? Because there's so many people. Then we just realized it was a firefighting truck that was coming in. So this is what happened. I got a chance to experience how they respond to fire in Nairobi. Not Nairobi, I mean where we live. Yep, so that was our stay. Let me say 2-3 days at Grandma's place. We enjoyed. The market day was amazing, quite a lot of things happening, and it was time to go back home. guys, this comes to the end of our video. Guys, if you've not subscribed, kindly do so. Road to 10,000. We're doing so well, guys. Please subscribe and see you on the next one. Ciao.